this is Serena from Nihao Dropshipping. We can't wait to share you the good news that Nihao has integrated with WooCommerce. So if you have a WooCommerce store and now you can quickly connect your shop to Nihao Dropshipping, and you can easily connect your WooCommerce store to Nihao Dropshipping in 3 easy steps. To start, you need to log in or register on the Nihao Dropshipping account and in Nihao dashboard and find the WooCommerce and under the Authorize section, and then click the iStore. So enter the store URL and click the text link under the consumer key and input field to go to the Authorize page, and then click the approve to finish. So now notice that if you have not logged into your WooCommerce store, you need to log in first. So your WooCommerce store now is successfully connected to your Nihao Dropshipping account. And just in case, we also provide another way to authorize by entering your in consumer key and a secret. So it requires you to go to your store dashboard, finding the setting and under the WooCommerce section, and then click the advanced and recite API and add key enter. So enter the description and change the permission to read or write, and finally click the generate API key, and then you will find the consumer key and secret. So copy this case and fill in that in the text field, and finally click the authorize. So these are 2 ways and to link your WooCommerce store to Nihao Dropshipping, and we recommend you to choose the first one because that is more simpler. And if you encounter any problems under the Nihao Dropshipping plugins, and you can seek for help from your account manager. And that's all for today's video. Hope you like it. Bye bye.